Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can create scrolling timeline effect in DaVinci Resolve in just few clicks. So in the edit page, go to the effects, search for text plus. Now drag drop to your timeline. In the inspector, adjust the text like this. Now select your font and adjust its color. Okay. Now open in the fusion page. Now add a rectangle marks on it. So now we have to adjust the size of the text. Okay, this is good. Now back to rectangle marks, adjust its height and width. Now back to template and add the first frame. Make a keyframe for the offset Y for the first year. Now move your playhead to the last point and adjust the Y offset to the last year. Now go to the settings, tick on motion blur, increase the quality to 10. Now add a soft glow node after the template, adjust its threshold and gain value. Okay. Now here is our scrolling timeline effect is ready. But we need to adjust the keyframe. So go to the spline, tick on template, click on fit to screen. Now select all. Now press S and adjust the curve like this for a smooth animation. So here we go. So if you learned anything from this video, make sure to like, subscribe and see you in the next video.